They fell out of the tree. Let's go somewhere in the shade where y'all can see them. Cute little birdies. Oh, they don't know where the camera is. See, look at them. They're so cute. Hey, tweet, tweet, tweet. On the street. Tweet on the street. Hello. What you doing, Tweety Tweeties? Get them, CJ. Look at them jumping around. I want to let one fly out. So teach them how to fly. Stop! They were screaming when we had picked them up and put them in there. But look at them. They're so cute. Look at them. They're so cute. I think I'm going to put this on YouTube. Hello, fish days. I'm putting this on YouTube. I'm about to hold one. Hold the camera. I'm going to hold the camera. No, let's keep it right here. Don't do that. Put one. Okay, I'm scared. He about to kill his own brother. Just pick up. Oh. Mom and Dad here? Nope. I know they're in the tree somewhere. Hey there. I'm scared. I didn't do it from behind.
Get your bows out of it before they bite it.
Look at it. It's a cutie. Cutie. Don't let it fall, CJ. Look at the cutie. He barked it too. You see the cutie booty?
Just pick it up. Pick it up before it moves.
See? Okay, time to put them back in there. Cutie. Woo! Justice almost made me fall in there. Well, they are just so cute. I thought it was Naya.
Little cute birds.
Look what they're doing.
Darn, they jumped on my hand.
I think we should let them out now.
Hey,
let them run around. There's the mom. Don't go to their house. They're over here. Really? They're over here. That's Naya and them. Please, B.
That ain't Naya.
Yes, it is. I just saw it was. I know, because I saw their face in it. Now let's keep it up here. Put it back down. Put it back down. Put it back down.
So who is that?
I don't know. But look at this. It's so cute. I know that's our neighbor thingy. Our neighbor picture.
Oh, then we're going to put them back in the same.
No.
Then we're going to put them back in the
No. Leave it alone. You can't even hold it. You go drop it. Look at him. Hey, get off him. That's no fair. You about to break his... Stop getting on him. That's why he just standing there still looking at you. Where should we put him?
Right there on that dirt. So
how about we put them in there, the glass? That'll be their little home, but they're a little messy.
Okay.
Man, because they can get out. Oh, let's keep them in the dangy. Well, they won't have no worms to eat. No ants or nothing to eat.
Yeah, we can get in from there.
Maybe they can't. They don't eat ants. They eat worms. These flowers ain't gonna work. They don't eat these flowers. Nothing.
What else?
But they're just that. I don't know. Some beetles or something. Put it down. That's it.
I know there's another dead bug yet, but we have to.
Well, what's the problem?
I know there's another dead bug, and it's a big beetle.
Okay. I see. I know where it's at, but I don't want to touch that thing. But look at these cuties. Who are they? No, it's nobody. Look at these. But he goes right out. You know, I know and stuff. I'm about to put it down there so that he looking at the camera.
Now we can pick them up.
Move, Justice. I'm scared of picking one up. The one that I picked up was fine with me. He's on top of him. He's not about to kill him.
Yeah.
Just put him off. Really, Justice? He almost killed him.
The egg.
Look at this. He's so cute. Oh, okay, I'll put you down. Sorry. Want to put him back on the trampoline?
Nah, then they gonna poop on it again.
Oh, yeah, they pooped on it once. What are they doing?
Can they eat a big bee? A live bee?
I don't know.
No, the bee will call kill. Who's that?
You know?
I'm gonna show my mama this video.
Probably Caden. Yeah. Wait, no.
It's not. I wish it was. Look,
It was his mom.
look at this. It's so cute.
You should tell her to stop.
What
It's true.
Who? I'll show it. I'll show the video. I'm putting this on YouTube too. I'm making another one.
We're taking the birdies up.
No, let's put them on trampoline again.
No, we're not, because you remember when they pooped?
They pooped on the trampoline and they tried to squeeze through the trampoline tops.
So we decided to put them back where they were.
We decided to put them back where they were, but we can't get up there. Let's just leave them there and let their mom come get them. First of all, let's go take a little break inside, then we can come back and check on them, see where they've been. So we're going back to check on them. We're going back to check on them. I wonder what they look. CJ, are you coming? Meet us! Yeah? Okay. The mama bird! Oh man, they ran away. Did they get the babies?
No.
No, I just saw the mama bird. No. They're still in there.
We can pick them, one of
I
them.
tell don't squish one of them. Let's bring them on front. For Gershon.
I just put a thing up in one of them. Oh, just got bird poop on me.
Huh? It's not funny. Put some dirt in there. You picking up, CJ?
Can't even win it. Oh my gosh, that's the one that keeps putting his head up.
That's the one I keep screaming. The other one is easy to pick up.
Really?
He just put it in his eye. Stop it now.
Stop!
They're sitting there scared looking at us. Hey.
She dropped the N in there. That's why they screamed, because the N just bit them.
No, they're screaming because they got something in the eye.
Hey, you're a big boy.
What did you just drop in there?
A toy.
Oh, don't. A toy for them just chew on?
No.
Who's that? Please be Naya.
Wait, this same car I just saw.
I know, it's probably coming for us. Nope.
Dang.
Where
Wait, it's not Felicia.
I know. That looked like a boy and that one looked like a girl with the hair.
That was like a big dinosaur.
Look at him.
Okay, here's something.
I could pick them up though.
Stop. See what they're doing at? Just let them free, CJ. Leave them alone.
Okay.
Look, I will have two, because I got a YouTube one. And I want to show my mom. Yup. Okay. You got them free. Come on. Come free. CJ. Really? Really, CJ? Look at him. Look at him. Hey. 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 Hey.
See, that one just blinked.
I know that I did.
That one just looking back. Oh, that's their new nest. We just made them a new nest. Just bring them a new nest.
And we have to put up
that one tried to bite me.
put a leaf in his mouth. Put a leaf in their mouth.
Look at them.
See where they eat the leaf.
They won't.
They don't. They will. They'll eat the leaf.
No, they won't.
I just dang. He rocking at you like. Want to put him in a bird bath? Well, we have to pick that thing up. We'll try. Come back in the box.
Let's just flip it over.
I touched them.
Just flip it over.